Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be doing some boneless spare rib sandwiches on the grill. As you can see, I've already trimmed these down, removed the membrane off each side. Got them looking pretty good. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and season them up. Use whatever kind of seasoning you like. That is completely up to you. So let's go ahead and get them seasoned up. We're going to throw them on the grill, let them cook in some applewood smoke for a couple hours, and then take them up, do a couple other things to them, and won't be long we're going to have us some awesome sandwiches. So let me get these seasoned up and get the grill ready, and we'll be back. Alright, we're going to get the grill heated up now, using some applewood today. Cooking 225, high smoke setting. So once it gets hot, we'll throw the ribs on the grill. Okay, we got the smoker going now. Roughly about 225. Got a little smoke rolling in there. We're going to let these things cook for just a little while. Possibly an hour, maybe a little more. Then we're going to take them up, wrap them up, and do a little more stuff to them. Get them ready. So let's close it up, let them cook for a while. Alright, these have been on the grill right at 2 hours at 225. So we're going to take them up, wrap them in some foil, put them back on the grill for a while, let them get good and tender. So let's get them up and get them wrapped. Alright, we got them wrapped up now, so we're going to let them go for a couple more hours, and then take them up. Let's let them cook. Alright, we got them off the grill now. They've been on the grill for 2 hours, so we're going to unwrap them and pull the bones out. Let's get them unwrapped, see what they look like. We're going to pull the bones out, throw some barbecue sauce on them, and put them back in there on the grill for just a little bit. So once we get them unwrapped, we'll be back. Alright, we got them unwrapped now. As you can see, they're pretty well much done. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and pull the bones out. And then once that's done, look at how easy them bones just pull out of there. So once we get all the bones pulled out, we'll be back. Alright, we got all the bones pulled out now. Now we're going to put some sauce on. Cover them in sauce really good. Put them back on the grill for about 15 minutes. Let this sauce get good and caramelized. And take them back up. And get ready to put a sandwich together. We'll be back. Ribs are on the grill. With the barbecue sauce on, we'll go ahead and get us a loaf of Italian bread out. Go ahead and cut it in half and get ready for the ribs. So while that's going, we're going to get the bread ready, and we got some onions over there sauteing to put on top. We'll be back in a minute, put it all together. Okay, we got the ribs done now, the bread's done, and the onions are done. So now we just got to put it together. And so you want to open the bread up better? Okay, just like that. We'll take one of these racks of ribs right here. Be very careful because it will fall apart. Lay it on there. You want to sprinkle some onions on there?
In my hand?
Yeah. You washed them. Just sprinkle them all over it. Okay. Once you get that done, get the onions on there. We'll put the bread back on it. Get your knife. Cut it up. Cut it into however big pieces you want. And you have now a boneless rib sandwich, which is very tender. So, give it a try. See how you like it. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.